Welcome to the Furious Futurist, the channel where I pick apart the present to find the future we were promised in the past. I grew up watching the sci-fi films of the 80s, which painted a future of flying cars, friendly talking robots, and hovering skateboard time-traveling future boys. However, none of the futuristic gadgets I was guaranteed have goddamn turned up, and I am furious! Greetings, my furious friends. I am the Furious Futurist, and on today's show, we're going to look at some of the cutting-edge technologies which are transforming our pedestrian present into the sleek and shiny future we were promised in the films of the past. Well, sometimes. So without further ado, let's take a look at the latest tech news in this week's Furious 411. The first story I'm furious about this week may have already caught your eye, but I just wanted to weigh in with my own little comparison that you might not have noticed. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, you're just furious because this robot that not only aggressively grabbed the hand of its human co-worker because it didn't want its little nosy touched. I call absolute pre-programmed BS on this one. But this godless monstrosity was also quoted as saying,
"Do you believe in God?"
I don't believe in anything.
All right, Captain Nihilism. But the real reason I'm furious about this story is because I'd love to know who made the decision that to avoid this aberration plunging nose first into the uncanny valley, they should give it grey skin, an eerie twisted grin, no hair, a skeletal body, and piercing blue eyes. Will it remind people of anyone scary? Nah, should be fine. Now, if you're going to build a robot, do it like this. If you've ever survived the nightmare of having to fold your own t-shirts, live in fear no longer, my friends. This absolute genius has created a robot in true Cavalier style. Wires everywhere, cables shoved straight into the back of a laptop, et voila! At least if the machines rise up to overthrow us this time, we'll be slaughtered in particularly neatly folded garments. Link in the description for this one. And last but not least, talking of rebellious mechanical insurgencies, better get your Sunday best ready because China has invented a giant mechanical yak that makes Spot from Boston Dynamics look like a perfumed poodle. Yes, I wish I was joking, but allow me to invite you to imagine your final moments in abject terror being chased off a cliff edge by bison bots here. The hulking bionic heifer can carry loads up to 350 pounds and travel at up to 6 miles an hour. And it literally looks like one of those bucking broncos escaped from an awful student party and went rogue across the Gobi Desert. Good luck, mankind! Well, that was a very hardware-heavy report. Hopefully next time I'll be able to tell you about a utopian future waiting just around the corner where everyone is treated equally and war is nothing more than a distant memory. But until then, I'm afraid that's all we have time for, but please take a second to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. If you have anything you'd like me to discuss, or if you have any futuristic technologies you'd like to send me to review, please leave a comment down below. I am the Furious Futurist. Thanks for watching till the end of the video, and until next time, stay curious, my furious friends!